In this video, we will be discussing slicing a solid model. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file slicingasolidmodel.dwg located in the Working Files folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. The slice command allows you to slice material away from a solid model or to split models into two separate pieces. This capability is especially useful when you want to bevel a model and the tangencies of the model edges prevent the chamfer command from achieving the required results. When you slice a solid model, the resulting face is flat in all cases unless you use the surface option. When you use the surface option, the resulting face matches the surface used to slice the model. The slice command is located in the Solid tab, Solid Editing panel, and then we have the slice command. When you don't know what to do, look to the command line window. We're prompted to select an object to slice. We'll go ahead and select the object and then right click. There are many different command line options. Let's investigate a few of these. The first one is the 3-point option, which is the one that we're doing right now. So let's say we wanted to slice this part of this object right here. So we're in the 3-point option. Let's go ahead and just simply snap here and then snap there. And notice the command line window is prompting you to pick a point on the desired side that you want to keep, or if you want to keep both sides, which we do in this case, let's go ahead and just click on keep both sides. Notice how you have two individual solids that you can do whatever you want with now. Let's look at another way that you can slice objects. Notice what the UCS is set to. Let's go ahead and simply select our UCS icon and let's change our Y plane straight up here. What we've done now is we've made our plane cutting into this flange here. Let's go ahead and draw a rectangle and let's see what happens when we draw it through the entire object itself. Let's go start the slice command, select the flange and press enter, and let's go ahead and pick the planar object option. Notice the command line window is prompting you to pick a circle, ellipse, arc, 2D spline, or 2D polyline. Let's go ahead and select the actual polyline, press enter, and then now, notice how it kept both sides. If we go ahead and delete this one, this object has been completely sliced in half. Let's start the slice command again, and let's go ahead and select this object first, right-click, and let's look at some of the options available. Notice how you can choose the XY, YZ, or ZX plane. So depending on the way your plane is defined with the UCS, these options will take that orientation from the current UCS. So right now, if we were to select the XY plane, as we are right here, you then can define a point. Now the XY plane normally is flat on this part of the drawing. However, because we have it rotated, if we go ahead and snap to, let's say, this location here, we'll go ahead and keep both sides by pressing enter, you'll notice it actually cuts it right down the middle here because that's what the current UCS is set to. Let's change our UCS back to the WCS. Let's go ahead and start the slice command again. Let's go ahead and select these two objects to slice and press enter. One of the other really cool options is one called view. While you're in the middle of this command, let's go ahead and change our view to top view. Let's go ahead and choose the view option, and let's go ahead and snap to a location somewhere over here. When you do so, let's go ahead and press enter to keep both sides. This is a fantastic way to simply reorient your view, and notice how it automatically will slice the object based upon the elevation that you actually snap to. That's a really powerful tool. There are many ways to slice and dice an object.